Less than a month before the device is anticipated to be announced, Apple's iPhone 15 is said to have been found in India's regulatory database. Last August, a single iPhone 14 model with the model number A2882 was discovered in the Bureau of Indian Standards database only a few weeks before the release of the iPhone 14 series. It came out that this was the regular iPhone 14 model produced for other nations and regions. Currently, no Apple device has a model number, but My Smart Price has discovered one in the BIS database with the model number 3094. Given that iPhone model numbers typically increase with each new generation, this is most certainly the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 was first formally spotted today, making this the first instance. The iPhone 15 is the first new iPhone model to begin manufacturing outside of China before the device is announced, according to a report from Bloomberg. The device registered with the BIS is probably the same model that is mass-produced in India. The iPhone 15 models might have faster charging speeds of up to 35 watts in the interim with the switch to USB-C. According to 9to5Max, it has been confirmed by business sources that at least certain iPhone 15 models can charge at this greater wattage. The iPhone 14 models can now charge at a maximum of around 27 watts, with the Pro models being able to charge a little bit quicker and climb to 35 watts with faster charging periods. Apple no longer includes a power converter with the iPhone, although the firm now recommends a 20-watt charger for quick charging. Apple could start recommending its 30-watt MacBook Air charger or its 35-watt dual USB-C charger for maximum charging speed once the iPhone model supports up to 35 watts charging. Earlier this year, Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicted that the iPhone 15 models would support faster charging speeds because of the switch to Type-C. He said that MFI-approved chargers, including the 20 watts power adapter, will be able to provide the faster speeds. According to speculations, Apple will only allow cables and chargers with MFI certification to provide faster charging speeds. It's also conceivable that the quickest charging speeds will only be available for the iPhone 15 Pro models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.